Yeah, buddy, that's what that is right there. Damn, that's Slim Thug. That's that motherfucking wheel on your motherfucking head right there. You smell me, nigga? I'm about to get off into this shit, though. This shit about to get seriously ugly for you niggas. Got my nigga Juice Dollars up in this bitch. You know what I do, nigga.
DJ Tate, don't sweat shit, nigga. Let me get my styrofoam east side, nigga.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. I'm about to go in, baby. We in here with BD and Wando. Spaz Out Radio, nigga. We fuck with this nigga.
Already.
Look. I roll up while I load up. No fights, but it's like a nigga punch my pockets, how they swole up. Getting money before I doze up. And even if a model bitch was dropping, the money call, put them clothes up. It's back to the money, BG and Chopper City. I'm feeling good, got the whole hood rocking with me. Just sweater on my back like I'm jocking Biggie. Out to get that dirty money, but not for Diddy. With my gym bag, no PE. Duffel bag, boy, no DTP. It's GMB. Get money, boy. Get it by any means. Rain, sleet, sunny, boy. You fuck with that and it's bound to get ugly, boy. Ain't talking money, that's the end of discussion, boy. Broke behind me, the money was ahead of me. And I'ma get money to the death of me, nigga.
Wow.
Hey.
Exclusive shit, nigga.
Exclusive, man.
Like that, nigga.
Hey, Juice Dollars, man. You did it in. DJ Tate.
Yeah.
Look.
Anything. We in here.
My work sweet to them tweets, call it ice cream. I'm in the kitchen with a Pyrex and a triple beam. Hey, I'm a fat boy. I make the block shake. 16, I turn the 28 into a wedding cake. You niggas baller blocking. That's a fucking fact. My pocket's full of cheese. Y'all niggas rats. Clientele outrageous. Get my perf on. Money the only thing calling on my church phone. West side, bitch. What you reppin', cuz? One side Crips, one side Bloods. One side Fags, one side Thugs. They shot out to them haters, they don't like us. Hey, it don't matter though. Bitch, you know I get the dough. Cutting in the bitches like a nigga on a lawnmower. Hey, fuck a VIP, bitch, I'm on a flow strap. Chillin' with your bitch and we smoking on that loud pack. You niggas loud tracks, bitch, I get it in. West side nigga, best spot, nigga.
Yeah, it's like that, nigga. We got more. Yeah. GMB, baby. Get money.
Everywhere I go, I'm known as keep it still. And I don't play fake, I just keep it real. And I'm no DJ Tate, I just fast out. I want that nigga slipping.
Out.
I'm on that cash route, I never get caught slipping. I'm just doing my big pimpin' like Jay-Z. These haters cannot fade me. I'm living life. If you fuck around with me, then you gon' fucking lose your life. Hey, Wando been a pro at the game, nigga. I told you niggas how to show you how to tax figure. And if you try to get back, then I'ma hit you. And I don't give a fuck, I bet you down like a switcher.
Whoa.
Hey, shout out, man, Spaz Out Radio.
Yeah.
Juice Dollars, my nigga Skrilla, P-Boy.
Yeah.
Northern Dope, man, shout out to y'all Northern Dope niggas, man. Shout out to everybody, Trapping in Michigan, the mixtape about to drop. Hosted by DJ Tate, nigga, Spaz Out Radio,
nigga.
Hey,
Trapping in Michigan shit,
DJ
nigga.
Tate.
Yeah. You know what it is, nigga. It's motherfucking exclusive, nigga. Tate don't motherfucking play, nigga. Add me on Facebook, bitch.